Welcome back to Houseplant 101, and today I'm going to be talking you through what you need to know when buying your first houseplant. When buying houseplants, we tend to just see a plant we like and think, yeah, that will go in that spot at home. So you might visit a garden centre, think, oh, this is a beautiful lemon tree. That'll go lovely in the corner of the living room next to the lamp. Like all citrus, it needs loads of light, so unless it gets the right amount of light, it's just going to wither and die, and ultimately just be a waste of money. So before buying a plant, it's worth understanding what light is available in the space you're going to put it at home. So if you've got a bright spot, plants like cacti and succulent are great for a sunny windowsill, south, east or west facing. So if you have a spot that's not so bright, maybe in and around a north facing window, plants like Dieffenbachia do great. And even plants like ferns or ivies or palms do great in a shady location. So it's important to understand how your plant grows. For instance, I'm not going to place this trailing plant on the floor, and I'm not going to place this large ficus on top of a wardrobe. So it's really important to understand your plant's growing habit. So seeing as you're at the garden centre already, it's a good idea to pick up a few extra bits like feed, a mister, pots, anything you may need to help your plants thrive. So if you're still worried about how to care for your houseplant, there are some plants out there that are really hard to kill. For instance, this Aspidistra elatior, or commonly known as a cast iron plant. And even this Chlorophytum, or commonly known as a spider plant. So no matter how much neglect you give them, they'll always bounce back. So now I hope you're brave enough to venture out there and buy your first houseplant. See you next time.